Hi, I'm hanamizuponko. I'm gonna talk about Japanese names today. First of all, our names are said last name first, then first name second. So some people call me Hanamizu, but Hanamizu is my last name and my first name is Ponko. I just decided to introduce my name as hanamizuponko here because this channel is for introducing Japanese. So just call me Ponko. Anyway, last name in Japanese is myoji, and the first name is namae. But namae can also be used for both. So we use shita no namae. So you might ask, shita no namae wa nan desu ka? However, for paperworks, it's often written shi and mei. Shi is where you write your last name, and mei is where you write your first name. Yeah, I know Japanese is complicated even for me. We also have several ways to calling people's names too. The most basic one is san. We put san at the end of people's names when we call their names or write their names. San works for anybody, so it's good to remember. There are chan and kun too. Chan is usually for girls or small kids, and kun is usually for boys. When I was a kid, we called girls chan and boys kun at school. But nowadays, we often use san for everybody due to people wanting to respect each other more. I don't know why that makes it more respectful and why what you want to be called is important, but I guess they are trying to eliminate discrimination and bullying. We also use nicknames to call family members or close friends often in Japan too. It's not just shortened names, but we also use rin, pe, chi, yan, or something like that and add it to first letter of the name or the end of a shortened name. We also say job titles behind a name to call them more respectfully, like sensei, which means teacher, doctor, lawyer, and so on. So if there is a teacher whose name is Sato, then we can call them Sato sensei. Phew. It is very hard for me to remember or say Western people's names, but I also totally understand that the Japanese name culture has so much to remember, especially because lots of people have difficult kanjis in their names. Sometimes I can't even read their names unless I ask how to read it. This particularly happens when they use phonetic kanji. At least, some Japanese schools or kindergartens have students put name tags on their chest so you can say their name right. Well, I hope you know a little bit about how Japanese people's names work from this video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time!